Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with a pesky SharePoint shortcut cluttering up your OneDrive, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to remove SharePoint shortcut from OneDrive in 2025. This is a quick fix that can save you time and frustration, especially if you're managing files across Microsoft services. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone trying to keep their digital space organized, this guide will help you streamline your OneDrive in no time. First things first, make sure you're signed into your OneDrive account on your computer or via the web app. It's super important because you can't make changes without access. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your OneDrive folder. You can find this in your File Explorer if you're on Windows or through the OneDrive app on Mac. Step 2. Locate the SharePoint shortcut. These usually appear as folders with a SharePoint icon. They might be in your main OneDrive directory or nested inside other folders. Once you spot it, right-click on the shortcut. From the menu that pops up, look for the option that says, Remove Shortcut, or something similar. Microsoft might phrase it a bit differently based on updates in 2025, but it should be straightforward. Step 3. Confirm the removal. A prompt might appear asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Just click, Yes or Remove. Don't worry. This won't delete the actual files in SharePoint. It's just removing the link from your OneDrive. If you're using the web version, go to onedrive.live.com, find the shortcut in your files, and use the three-dot menu to select Remove Shortcut. And there you have it. Your OneDrive should now be shortcut-free. Remember, if you remove a shortcut by mistake, you can always add it back through SharePoint settings. This process is quick, taking less than a minute once you're familiar with it. If you run into any issues, double-check your permissions or update your OneDrive app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay organized, and I'll see you in the next video.